Introducing the EMCO E25 CNC lathe, one of EMCO's distinctive products offering a multitude of benefits. The E25 is the smallest production turning machine in our extensive product range, and it's now in its fourth generation. This unique 1-inch bar machine has evolved over 30 years from the popular 320 and 220 machines, many of which are still in full production today at factories around the UK. This latest version now offers a C-axis and a 12-station VDI-16 tool turret with up to 6 driven tooling positions for milling and drilling applications. With a width and depth of just 1700 by 1270 and a height of 1820, the E25 has a very small footprint, making this ideal to fit into compact workspaces within factories, workshops, labs and outbuilding spaces. Some of the highlights that make this EMCO's best-selling turning machine include use of either a 5C or Roam power collet chuck. With very small dimensions, this allows customers easy access with minimum tool interference for small bar parts. The compact spindle and collet chuck enable very fast spindle acceleration up to 6,300 RPM due to the small spindle and collet chuck weight and mass. This machine is the only lathe in our range that offers pneumatic clamping instead of hydraulic, which makes it ideal for machining plastics and other delicate parts that need minimal clamping pressure to avoid crushing the bar stock. Quick to program and change tool setups for various parts, many of the E25s have been sold to sliding head shops for small batch and prototype production work. Designed and built at EMCO's head office facilities in Austria, the E25 comprises high-quality components, offering very high accuracy and a build quality that is beyond standard.